G'day, Peter from Oz Commercial Sewing Machines. Just want to talk today about a couple of little functions on this, which I usually have turned on, but you can turn them off if you prefer not to have these as automatic functions. I usually keep them on so I can operate them through all the other different programs on this machine. These buttons are suitable for all jack machines that have this particular motif on the button. So this one is the forward tack, or the start tack of your seam. This one's the back tack, the end tack on the seam. Okay, those I'll usually leave those on. They're fully programmable up to however many stitches you want in your tack. Okay, this button here, the top one, that is your presser foot lift. So when you heel back on your foot, that lifts your presser foot automatically. I leave that on generally because I don't like, if it's there, I'll use it. I don't like using the manual lifter on the back of the machine. This is your needle position. You can have it as needle up or needle down.
Up, needle position. Down, needle position.
This is the cutter. It's a long press on the button, and you can turn them off or leave them on. I leave them on, just makes it easier and a lot more efficient when you're sewing. Instead of having to get the scissors and cut the thread, it does it automatically for you with the smallest amount of tails. So if you long push,
trimming off,
it turns it off. Now if you put it back on,
trimming on,
you'll see the signal of the scissors reappear, and that means your trimmer is on. Okay, this has programmable stitch length with a stepper motor reverse, which it does automatically, or you can push the reverse button down here. Okay, a lot of the jack machines have this button, regardless of whether it's the manual reverse lever, which usually lives here. There it is there. That is the auto reverse button. Okay, so this is stitch length, programmable.
Stitch length, increase. Stitch length, decrease.
There we go. And if you're in any of the programming, this little line here is returned to your straight stitch or free sewing, as Jack calls it. So if I push that short,
free sewing,
you go back into your straight stitch mode, which is just general sewing. Thank you.